Review de la Cyma m187d. Okay, this gun. Okay, of course comes with all you see here. It was like 109 at Airsoft. Wait, Hit Guns or Airsoft main store, one or the other. It has a scope, 3x90x40. This extends, you know, all that stuff. Got you like a 20-round magazine. And it comes with this speeder, not this speeder load, but something else. But you want to stick your fingers in there like that. Push a little button right there. It gets in there. And then, of course, you put the front in first. It goes back. This bipod comes off. It wiggles some, but not much. I hardly use it anyway. It goes forward and backwards. Like shoots 500, 550 FPS. Alright. And that was just a little bit about the gun. Okay, and the hop up is right in here. There's a little Allen key or whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it, that you put in there and you twist to pop up. I think it's right to pop up. Yeah. Alright. Good freaking scope. Now let's shoot this thing. Oh. It's bolt action too. Hitting that sign up there. Barely hit it that time. Of course, when you sight it in, it'll work better. Yeah, you mess with the pop-up some, you do good work. Alright. Now, Keanu, you suck at Airsoft, and that's some real stuff. Some real stuff, you heard me? You heard me? Alright.